Hi, I just wanted to pop on here and do a quick video on how I embellish my quilts with these hot fix crystals. So I use this little hot fix tool, and it has a special tip on it that gets very hot when you plug it in and turn it on, that melts the glue that is already at the bottom of these little tiny crystals. And so basically it's very simple. After I'm done quilting and doing everything, I do it before I bind, but you could do it afterwards. I simply place the stone where I want it to go. And then I use this little tool and hold it down. You don't press too hard. It's kind of medium pressure. And wait for it to heat up the glue and melt it. And then it will be permanently affixed to my quilt. Adds a little bling, especially in the holidays for wall hangings and things like that. I think it's super fun. And that's it. It is attached to my quilt. It's very hot. And I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so this is the stone that I just placed onto the quilt. You can see I have a few others that I've done on here. And they come in all sorts of different colors. So I could put a green one on here as well. And you can see that it has a little bit, it's a flat back, but it does have glue on the back of it.